A beautiful day to you, wonderful scholars. I welcome you back to Divine Offspring Virtual Classroom. On Science this week, we shall take a look at microprocessors. Yes, microprocessors. In today's lesson, you will learn what a microprocessor is. We will also explore together the basic operations of a microprocessor. Now, get your pen or pencil, a book, and look for a quiet place in your home to study. I will also need you to be mentally alert for the lesson. The star words for this lesson are microprocessor, decoder, frequency, web, quartz, and silicon. Here are some fascinating facts about microprocessors. Microprocessors are made from silicon, quartz, metals, and other chemicals. From start to finish, it takes about 2 months to make a microprocessor. The first microprocessor, Intel 4004, was invented in the year 1971. A microprocessor is also known as a central processing unit, CPU. The microprocessors retain memory 1 bit at a time. A short quiz for you. Take a look at the questions. You can pause the video to attempt the questions. Once you're done, click on the play button to continue to the next slide. Okay, time to check and mark before you continue. You have the answers, number 1 down to 4. So how did you fare? Great. Let's move on. Many of you have seen this before now, but what you have not seen is what makes the computer work. A microprocessor is an electronic component that is used by a computer to do its work. Microprocessors help computers to do everything from writing to searching the web. The microprocessor is located inside the computer motherboard, the CPU. The big question now is, how does the microprocessor perform these operations? Microprocessors follow 3 steps commonly called fetch, decode, and execute to perform their operations. Step 1. In the fetch step, an instruction is copied from the computer memory into the microprocessor. Step 2. In the decode step, the microprocessor figures out what operation the instruction is meant to do. Step 3. The final step. In the execute step, the operation is performed. Wow! Now you have an idea of how microprocessors work. Good. It's time to summarize our lesson. What have you learned today? 1. A computer uses microprocessors to perform its work. 2. The microprocessor is located inside the computer's CPU. 3. Microprocessors use 3 steps commonly called fetch, decode, and execute to perform their operations. If you think you do not understand any part of the lesson, please go back to the beginning. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.